Hello, this is Keith Graham from Codasip. I'd like to introduce you to Assignment 9, the C compiler. You will be starting off this project by completing the last two instructions of the RISCV32I instruction set in your Cycle Accurate model. The LUI, the load upper intermediate, and the AUIPC, add upper intermediate to the PC. After you've completed your instruction set, there are two additional things you need to accomplish or understand before you can actually generate the C compiler. The C compiler actually requires a 32-bit load immediate instruction to actually initialize your stack pointer and other system variables. Those system variables are actually initialized in a program called either the CRT0.s or CRT1.s. These files are appended depending upon the way you build your program in front of your C program, which actually initializes all the variables before your program starts. Both these are required to enable the C compiler. You will learn about them, and once you've actually added those into the system and add an additional function for simulation, syscall operations, which is a way of simulating an operating system to enable certain library routines such as printf and scanf, you will be able to implement complex C programs using your Cycle Accurate model. Now let's go to Codasip Studio and take a look at a simple routine. Now I have written a very simple routine, which is printing out the hello world. But you'll notice that I actually have a printf that is going to ask me to input the number of times I want my hello world to be printed out. So I have two C library routines, a printf, and followed by that a scanf, so I can actually input data into my program. So instead of running the debug, I'm actually going to run the program. So I'm not going to go into the debugger, but actually run the program as is. So you can see where it's asking me for my prompt of how many hello worlds. I'm going to put a 12 in, and once I do return, it completes the C program just as requested. So I hope that you enjoy Assignment 9 because getting the C compiler is quite exciting. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel so you'll be notified when additional videos are published. Have a great day.